Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Jasmine Jessii. Let's talk about Syngonium plant. How to grow and care for Arrowhead and Syngonium plant. In this video, care types, propagating, growing in pots, pest and plant disease, and we can talk about common issues. Let's start. The arrowhead plant is a fast growing trailing or climbing vine. The simple arrow shaped leaves vary in hue depending on their age, ranging from dark green and white to lime green and bright pink. Arrowhead vine grows best as a houseplant in bright indirect light. Well draining potting soil and warm humid conditions, the vine is toxic to cats, dogs and horses. Arrowhead vine care. Here are the main care requirements for growing arrowhead vine. Keep the plant in bright but diffused light. Next, plant in well-draining potting soil to white root rot. Let the plant dry out between waterings. Situate arrowhead vine in a humid room such as a bathroom or kitchen. Next, train arrowhead vine up a pole of moss stick. Alternately, pinch new growth to maintain the young plant's upright stem and bushes growth. Light. Arrowhead vine likes bright light but no direct sun diffused light is best as harsh rays can burn or bleach the delicate leaves and vine variegated color rays can handle a bit more direct sun, while deeper green varieties are better adapted to partial shade. Next, soil. Plant your arrowhead vine in a traditional soil-based potting mix. Arrowhead vine are prone to root rot, so you will want to make sure whichever potting soil you choose is well draining. Water. Water your arrowhead vine regularly during the spring and summer months and reduce your watering cadence and come winter during the spring and summer. Allow your vine to dry out partially between watering but never completely. Likewise, the plant should not be kept too wet either. Temperature and humidity. True to its tropical nature, the arrowhead vine prefer warm and humid conditions. If possible, maintain temperature above 60°F. While the plant tolerate average humidity, it will thrive best with the added moisture in the air. Consider keeping your plants somewhere in your home with naturally high humidity, such as kitchen or bathroom, or utilize a method of increasing the humidity such as adding a portable humidifier to the room or making a pebble tray. Fertilizers. Feed your arrowhead vine once a month with liquid fertilizer throughout the spring, summer, and fall months. Following product label instructions, you can half feeding throughout winter when the plant will naturally slow its growth. There are many types of arrowhead vine Syngonium plant. A wide selection of arrowhead cultivars offering stunning foliage color and pattern. Here are just few of the most popular cultivars. Bold Aleutians, creamy Aleutians, exotic Aleutians, pink splash, gold Aleutians, snow white, neon, robusta, pink Aleutian, strawberry cream, mini pixie, and much more. Next, propagating arrowhead vine. Arrowhead vine plants roots literally from stem cutting and can easily be propagated in the spring or summer months. how to propagate a Syngonium plant by stem. I will make a new video for you. Just for wait it, I will show you complete tutorial step by step how to grow Syngonium plant in a water. Next, potting and repotting arrowhead vine. These plants are aggressive, rapid growing vine, so the frequency of repotting depends somewhat on how big you want the vine to get. Repot yearly for a large vine, otherwise refresh the potting media every spring and repot every other year to ensure the plant doesn't become root bound. Additionally, consider planting your vine in a terracotta or clay vessel to wick away extra moisture from the soil. Common pests and plant disease. Arrowhead vine is relatively resistant to pests, but when the plant lives indoor, it is exposed to pests like spider mites, and malabugs, aphids, and scales. If you noticed any of these applications, treat your plant immediately with neem oil or another natural solutions. Arrowhead plants are highly susceptible to root rot caused by overwatering. Look for mushy lower stem to identify the problem. The plant may suffer from powdery mildew, whitish leaves, and brown fungal leaf spores. As well, immediately remove these affected leaves from the plant to stop the spread of the disease. Common problems with arrowhead vine. This easygoing vine does best if left reliably alone. If you are concerned that your arrowhead vine looks a little off here, what may be happening? Turns pale, leaves turn brown, won't bloom. I will explain. If your arrowhead turns pale, if your arrowhead turns pale or yellowish color, the plant is receiving too much light. Move the plant to a spot that has less harsh direct light. Leaves turn brown. If the leaves if the leaves of your arrowhead vine turn brown to being too wilt, the plant may be underwatered. Want bloom? Arrowhead vines are grown for foliage, not for their flower. Arrowhead plants that grow in native tropical climates bloom, but rarely an indoor arrowhead vine will likely never flower. Many people have some questions. How to take care of arrowhead vines? Do arrowhead plants needs lots of light? Is the arrowhead vine an indoor plant? Write your questions in the comment box. I will answer you. And thanks for watching.